In this video, I will show you how to change your signature in Outlook. Open Outlook on your PC. Click on New Mail in the upper left corner. Then click the designated option on the right side of your screen to open the email in a new window. Here, click on this symbol which resembles the signature option. If you have existing signatures, they will be listed here. Click on Signatures to manage them. Select the signature you want to edit. You can modify the text, font style, size, or add an image if you want. Additional formatting options, such as bold, italic, underline, and color changes, are also available among these options. If you want to create a new signature, click New Signature, name it, and enter the desired text in this box. Once done, scroll down and you'll find options to select whether the signature should be added automatically to new messages and replies or not. Click Save. Now, if you compose a new email, the updated signature will be applied automatically.